Welcome to Emitted online tutorial. Before us is this question that says how many beta particles are emitted in the radioactive decay of. Now this is the nuclide that gave birth to this. Now the question is how many beta particles were emitted before this resulting nuclide. Alright, let's from here 198. Now this is gold, this is the atomic number, and this is the mass number. Now giving birth to this is 98, 80, and this is what mercury. Okay, so this is the mass number. You can see that the mass number did not change. All right, so which means this minus this will give us what? 0. Okay, now here 79 minus 80 here will give us what? Minus what? 1. So which means whatever is the total number or the value at the left hand side must be equals to the total value at the right hand side, which means the total mass number here must be equals to the total mass number produced here, and the total atomic number here must be the same thing here. All right, so and as such now we are given as this, so which means 198 plus 0 will give us 198. Now 80 minus plus this, 80 plus minus 1 will give us, so we only have what? 1 beta particle emitted. All right, thank you, and if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and God bless you.